4 years ago, this $1 property was bought and renovated by a woman who made it her dream home. At 57, Meredith from Chicago turned a rundown house in Sambuca, Italy, into a stunning residence. Despite the challenges, she has created a home filled with warmth and character that reflects her vision and dedication. It all started with an email letting Meredith know she won the bid for this $1 home in Italy. The property was in dire condition: no electricity, no running water, uneven floors, and even an asbestos roof. Layers of debris covered the floors, and every room seemed more daunting than the last. Despite the overwhelming state of the property, Meredith saw its potential. She envisioned a home that would blend Italian charm with modern comfort. With determination and an eye for design, she embarked on transforming the crumbling structure into her dream house. But before we start, smash the like button and make sure to subscribe if you haven't, and hit that notification bell so that you won't miss any new stories. The finished home features a bright and airy living room, a modern kitchen with local Sicilian stone, and a charming library for Meredith's love of reading. Each space has been thoughtfully crafted to balance traditional charm with modern living. The living room and the outdoor space adds to the beauty of the property with a patio and a Juliet balcony that lets in natural light and offers breathtaking views of the surrounding area. Meredith plans to spend 4 months a year in her Italian retreat, enjoying the bright and airy living room that has become the heart of her home. With its vaulted ceilings and large windows, it's the perfect place to relax or host friends and family. Beyond the cozy interiors, Meredith loves spending time in the outdoor space. The patio, with its charming details and stunning views of the surrounding hills, offers a serene escape from everyday life. She even envisions opening a gallery and a guest house in the village, ensuring that her dream home will remain a cherished part of Sambuca for years to come. Meredith's retreat also features a luxurious dry heat sauna, a relaxing addition where she can unwind after a long day, further enhancing the peaceful and rejuvenating atmosphere of her Italian dream home. If you've ever dreamed of owning a unique home abroad, this inspiring story shows it's possible with dedication and vision.